Knowledge is power. Visit bchydro.com.
Just got better. Authentic cafe style cappuccino from Nescafe.
Oh, you're gonna break like matchsticks. I promise you that.
Hey, I made some Rice Krispie squares for our hungry Grand Marinos.
Oh, man! You ruined the atmosphere, you daft pansy!
Hell, this is my rumpus room.
Don't call it that!
Outsiders have kidnapped some of our property. We must respond with our deadliest weapon.
The lawyers.
Attention all citizens. Even though the leader himself is completely non-violent, he urges you to be as violent as you like in capturing the Simpsons.
What are you doing? They're not here, you idiots.
Idiots, that's slander, sir, and we have it on tape.
All right, I'll get on my checkbook.
What was that?
I said...
So, you kids really love the leader, huh? Even more than your parents?
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Oh, right already. But do you love the leader more than having your very own brand new hover bikes? What do you have to say about the leader now, huh?
Well, one leader, as far as I'm concerned.
And who do you love now?
Our bikes!
Close enough. Sorry, kids. There's no such thing as hover bikes. They're just a couple of puppies on a fishing line.
But we heard them hovering.
There we go.
I'm afraid I played the dirty part of the charade.
That's the Extra Plus solid top security disc detainer lock, picked with a dedicated disc detainer pick from UK Lock Pickers. There's the bitting of the key once again. It has 8 discs, the first disc being the driver, and you may have noticed I stick this dimple pick in there first. And so just to run through how to do this is you insert the key, okay, unlock it, and lock it, and then take something of this shape and zero all the discs clockwise. Then you insert your pick and you tension clockwise while you pick each individual of the 8, individually pick the 8 discs. So that's that. So rate it if you liked it. Peace as always. Have fun, and don't use this information for illegal purposes. And if you want to get a pick like this, you can get them from uklockpickers.co.uk.